Hi there, it's your girl Didi and welcome to Didi's Kitchen Madness. I'm going to be preparing something very special for you guys. My favorite peanut butter oat balls. And I'm going to be using my cookbook to prepare something very simple, quick, and easy. You can get it on Amazon. And it's also very kid-friendly. A lot of pictures in there. We're going to be preparing my favorite snack. So let's get to it. And it's so nutritious because it's made up of healthy stuff such as oats, peanut butter, almonds, dark chocolate chips, some cinnamon. You can also add honey if you want it to be a little sweeter. You have substitutions right here. But it's so quick and easy to do. You just need a few simple ingredients. Oats are very good for helping to reduce that bad cholesterol in your body. If you're allergic to nuts, just don't add it. And if you prefer to use a different sort of butter instead of peanut butter, you can do that. It's a great snack that you could prepare in between your meals. It's a great snack for kids, and it's also a good snack to have at parties. So you can put it in the fridge, or you could even make them bigger. I'm just doing it for me, so I'm making them very small. Let's take a bite. It tastes so good. I love it crunchy. That's why I added the nuts, and the chocolate just makes it taste so moist. I hope that you like it. Try it. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and comment down below. Bye. Remember, eat healthy, stay healthy, be happy. Buy my book. It's on Amazon. Buy it if you want to. It's fun. It's a lot of fun.